Well, by contrast, what are some of the greatest threats that you see impacting laundry owners as we go forward?
Yeah,
What are laundry owners concerned about as you talk to them?
yeah. I think it's the big players coming into the space, right?
Mm,
Um, like you look at Tide, um, billion-dollar
mhm,
company with unlimited funds, basically. Like if they want to win at something or they want to get into something, they will throw a lot of money at it. So I think us as smaller operators, we really just have to continue to uh, be at that top notch level of service and operating because Tide loves to sell chemicals, right? Like that's their main business.
mhm, mhm.
Are they experts in operating laundromats? Not yet, probably, right? There's not that many out there. So, um, our focus needs to be, hey, continue to be the premium product on your block or in your community, and make it so Tide's not even thinking about coming in there. Because let's say they put one across the street from us. What's best case scenario? Probably 50%. Take half of our customers.
Right.
That's not going to be sustainable for them or us.
Mhm.
So I think it's just getting that first mover advantage, and then keeping your product top level and not letting it turn into a zombie mat like a lot of owners have the last 20 years.
Right. Right. If focusing, I guess, on the customer experience and the
Right.
amenities and
Yeah.
the atmosphere.
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly. And we renew equipment fairly often. Our oldest machines are 5 years old at our
Okay. Mhm.
in our whole, across 4 locations. So, we're always looking to be, you know, what new technology is coming out. Like the touch screens have been a
Mhm.
huge thing, that have
Mhm.
recently come out. And I think, that's going to be another differentiator because
Mhm.
as an operator, you can create 20 different cycles,
All right.
on those, and you can tweak the amount of water and the amount of, spin and the length, and, a million of these things. I think the customization is
Mhm.
going to start to get really important. And we see
Mhm.
that because we have a lot of, not usual laundromat customers come in,
Okay.
big items,
Right.
um, you know, big families who want to throw everything in an 80 pounder and they love our, heavy soil program. We got shoe program, a sports equipment program, dog bed program, you name it.
Mhm. Right.
They feel like they're getting something unique, um, that they haven't found elsewhere and that their unit at home can't do.
Right. Right. And that's the key, offering
Yep.
something that they can't do elsewhere. I
Yep.
would think. Yeah.
Yeah.